Hi guys, my name is Steven and today we'll be installing the new EZVIZ Mini O Plus 1080p indoor camera. This job is really simple and only requires a few tools. We'll need some screws, and you might also need some drywall anchors, the mounting plate that comes with the EZVIZ Mini O, a screwdriver, but I'll be using my impact wrench instead, and a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. I'll be installing my camera near the ceiling, so I'm pulling out my extendable ladder. Use your Mini O to figure out where you want to place it in your room. Put the mounting plate where you want to install the camera and use your drill to drill 2 pilot holes through the mounting plate's screw holes. Install both screws through the screw holes of the mounting plates into the pilot holes previously drilled. Now your Mini O's magnetic base can attach itself to the metal mounting plate. You can adjust where the camera is looking by using the EZVIZ app on your smartphone. I'm going to go an extra step and use these cable staples to dress the Mini O's cable. You can find these at your local hardware store. Last but not least is my favorite part, removing the plastic film protector. So now let's open up the EZVIZ app. From the app we can see the camera feed and adjust the video quality. We can record live video to our phone. My favorite feature is the Mini O's built-in speaker and microphone, allowing you to have a conversation with someone who's in the room where the camera is. It's just like a walkie-talkie. The app lets you change the name of the camera, turn audio on or off, and customize the wireless network your camera is connected to. The image quality for a small indoor camera is respectable even when digitally zoomed in. If you have multiple EZVIZ cameras installed, you can view them simultaneously. What if the camera is installed upside down? Just hit the flip switch. And from the general settings, you can view stored videos from all of your cameras that you have on your device. The Mini O is another great product from EZVIZ, and I'm happy to have it in my home security arsenal. I haven't used the Cloud Play service, but there's a built-in SD card slot which will work perfect for my needs. If you think the EZVIZ Mini O Plus will suit your needs, I'll leave a link to purchase one in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions for me down in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, see you next time.